Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Ike. In this video, I will show you how I make a drink with ginger, lemon, and garlic. Please stay tuned. Hi everyone. So right now I'm gonna make the drink I was telling you about. So let's check it out. So as you can see, I already cut up the ginger, the lemon, and the garlic, and added it all together into the blender. I blended it. So now I'm gonna sift it, and I'll show you the juice when it's ready. Thank you. It's ready. I feel revived. Thank you. Now I'm born again. Hello, I told you about a drink. That's what I'm about to make right now. So let's get to it. I'm gonna make it real quick. All right, so the drink is done, it's ready to go. So this is the drink I was telling you. It is good. Let's check it out. This drink is amazing. Matter of fact, I feel revived. And now I'm born again. Thank you. Hello everyone, so this is the drink I was telling you about. I already made it. Now you're about to test it. Let's see how it tastes. This drink is so good. I am revived. Matter of fact, I am born again. Thank you. Hello everyone, so this is the drink I was telling you about. I already made it. Now you're about to test it. Let's see how it tastes. This drink is so good. I am revived. Matter of fact, I am born again. Thank you. Hello, thank you for visiting my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so you can get all the videos. Once again, thank you for visiting my channel. This is Dr. Ike. I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Peace and love.